Well, in this video I'm going to show how to add background music to your level and how you can turn it on and off by pressing the key on your keyboard. I'm starting out with the third-person template. I added the starter content and I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.26. Under Content, Starter Content Audio, drag in the starter music cue file. You can drag this file anywhere you want, and I'm just going to raise it up so you can see it better. If you click on the starter music cue file that you dragged into the project, under the properties you'll see that auto activate is checked by default. This means if you press play, the music will start automatically. I'll test this. If that's all you want to do, then you're done. But I'm going to also show you how you can control the background music using blueprints. Go to Blueprints, open level blueprint, drag in starter music cue. Now program this blueprint and press compile and close this. And now to test, I'll press play. And if you press the keyboard key B, it'll turn music off, and press the keyboard key B again, it'll turn the music on, and that's how it works.